Hi guys, this is Love and Beauty and I'm back with a makeup tutorial this time. So I'm just doing my eyebrows right now with just a regular dark brown pencil that I got from my local beauty supply store.
Now I'm going in with some concealer to clean up under my eyebrows. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. Okay, to clean up the top, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer also, but in the shade Chestnut. Okay, now I'm taking an old mascara brush to blend them out to make them look a little bit more natural. Okay, now I'm moisturizing my face and I'm using my Neutrogena Hydro Boost water-based moisturizer, and I will be going in with my Wet n Wild matte primer. Okay, now I'm going in using the same concealer that I used under my eyebrows, the Warm Honey, and I'm going to use it as a base. I'm going to blend it out with a beauty blender, and I'm going to set it with my Maybelline Loose Setting Powder in the shade 35 Deep. And now I'm going in with my Juvia's palette and using that light brown shade. I'm going to use that as my transition color on my eyes. So now I'm going in with a dark brown from a palette that I've been had, and I'm using it to put that in the crease of my eyes. Now I'm going in with an even darker brown from the Juvia's palette. I'm going to also put that in the crease of my eyes. I want my eyes to look a little bit dark, so... Now I'm cutting my crease with the same concealer, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. Now I'm using that Butter Matte shade, and I'm going to place that on my lid where I cut my crease at. This is my favorite shade. I love this color. Okay, now I'm going in with the dark brown shade from the Juvia's palette, and I'm using it to blend out the edges so it won't be any harsh lines. Okay, now I'm going in with an eyeliner that I got from the beauty supply store. I'm using it to outline my eyes before I place my eyelashes. Using mascara to blend out my eyelashes and with my false lashes. Okay, using my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Tan, I'm going to use that under my eyes for dark circle. I'm going to also try to conceal that big zit that y'all see. Please excuse that zit. I'm going to lightly tap with my finger to blend the concealer out under my eyes. Just lightly tap. I don't want to blend it all the way in. As for foundation, I'm using my favorite, my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in the shade 355. And I'm going to use my Real Technique brush to blend all of that out. Okay, now going back in with my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, I'm going to use that to highlight my face. Okay, using my Maybelline Loose Setting Powder in the shade 35 Deep, I'm going to set my concealer. And everywhere that I didn't place my concealer, I'm going to set my face with the matte poreless powder in the shade 355. Using a Real Technique brush, I'm going to use that to sweep away the extra powder. Okay, going in with my Black Radiance Contour Powder, I'm going to use that dark brown and that light brown to contour my face. Using a dark brown from the Juvia's palette, I'm going to use that to outline the bottom of my lash line. Okay, so I'm trying this blush that was in the contour palette that was sent to me, and now I'm not really feeling it. I think it made my face look a little bit too dark. Now I'm using my Morphin Setting Spray to get rid of any extra powder. And then I'm going to go in using my matte finishing spray to give me that matte look. Okay, to line my lips, I'm going in with a dark brown pencil. And then I'm going to go in with a Nude lipstick. And I'm going to go in with some lip gloss on top of it. Okay, using a gold shade from the Juvia's palette, I'm going to use it to highlight my tear duct, my nose, and my eyebrow bone.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.